Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Daisy May Algayo, 25 years old, single and a college graduate. I had experience here in the Philippines as a helper for 2 years and 4 months. Started by July 1, 2022 and November 22, 2024, finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities in my previous jobs are taking care of kids, washing clothes, ironing, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food for them and feeding them and make sure that they are healthy and clean.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Mom, sir, I can cook Filipino foods and I'm willing to learn to cook any cuisines when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It is necessary to be a hardworking person, God-fearing, honest, fast learner, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Mom and sir, I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and see you in Hong Kong. God bless.